when I designed my house in the Moustique, I was thinking to take the nature inside the living room and the sitting room. And it's for this reason I decided to do, I quite like this design from the old Audubon pictures and the birds. And I did it again on the rough burlap, which I treated with gesso and all system, and everything is water-based in fact, and seal. And the color do good here on the room. With some light, the pink come out of the wall, and it's quite interesting. People like them. I do too. And I did this painting probably 27, 28 years ago.